Welcome! Today we will learn how to create an order list. First, we go to our drop-down Order List tab and we select Create Order List. It will then bring up our option page, in which we will be able to select how many suppliers we would like on our order list. We can start with any supplier, which will create an empty order list, or we can select and list the suppliers that we will use most often in this order list. And in doing so, it will allow us to select Add All Available Supplier Items. Clicking this will import all items in these two supplier catalogs to my order list. Anytime after creation, I could modify items on my list or suppliers on my list. This is just a good way to import a large amount of information with simple keystrokes. Once I've selected all my suppliers, I can hit Create. Be aware, if you select catalogs that have more than 500 items, it will give you an error. Then the system creates my order list. The first thing I need to do is rename it. All order lists should begin with my property code. Here I'm going to start with 082 for Blackhawk. And then I can pretty much name my order list anything I want. This particular one I'm going to create for the bake shop. Now, just because it's named Bake Shop does not mean that it always charges to the bake shop. Remember, in Coupa, charge to accounts are decided in the cart. At this point, I can actually select any supplier, or I can keep it to these two suppliers. I'm actually going to remove these suppliers at this point and select any supplier. It doesn't get rid of any of the items I've added, but it does allow me to add additional items from any supplier later in time. And then I go to Who Can See This Order List, and I can either select everyone, meaning everyone with Coupa Access and Pinnacle. I can select a content group, and again, this one's for Blackhawk, so I select Blackhawk. So only Blackhawk team members can see this order list. Or if I'm looking to create an order list that's just for me, I can select only me. This bottom option is Lock the Order List, preventing others from editing it. I can lock or unlock. If I lock, I will be the only one allowed to make changes. If I unlock, anyone who can access an order list can change this. I then scroll down. I can see all the items that I originally imported. If any of these I don't use, I can select. And here's a little trash can. I click and it will delete. The next phase is up at the top right-hand corner, Sort By. This is where I'm allowed to choose the sort by detail of my order list, either by name, price, order level, key items, commodity, supplier, or custom. Today I'm going to select commodity. It will add in the specific commodities and sort my order list for me. As soon as I'm done, I hit Save. And that is how you create an order list.